What if the engine oil you've trusted for years isn't the one experienced mechanics would choose for their own vehicles? Now, before anyone gets upset, let's be clear about one thing. Every major engine oil sold in the United States has to meet minimum industry standards if it carries certifications like API or ILSAC. That means even many budget oils are capable of protecting an engine when they're used correctly. But here's what experienced mechanics learn after years of servicing high-mileage vehicles: reading used oil analysis reports, and tearing down worn engines. Meeting the minimum standard doesn't mean every oil performs the same under every condition. Some oils handle heat better, some resist oxidation longer, some keep engines cleaner during extended oil changes. Others are perfectly acceptable, but only if you understand their limitations. Over time, those differences can influence oil consumption, sludge formation, timing chain wear, turbocharger deposits, and overall engine cleanliness. Today, we're counting down the oil brands mechanics are often the most cautious about buying for their own vehicles. Not because they're automatically bad, but because experience has taught them when certain products make more sense than others. And stay until the end, because the final entry isn't really about one oil brand at all. It's the lesson many experienced mechanics eventually reach after working on thousands of engines. Number 10. Supertech. This one surprises a lot of people. Walk into almost any Walmart and you'll find Supertech sitting next to much more expensive brands. Its biggest advantage is obvious: price. Modern Supertech full synthetic oils typically carry current API certifications, and depending on viscosity, may also meet Dexos requirements for many GM vehicles. For someone changing oil every 5,000 miles in a normally driven commuter car, many technicians have no major concerns. So why do some experienced mechanics hesitate? Mostly because application matters. In long-term engine teardowns, mechanics often become cautious about stretching lower-cost oils to extended drain intervals. The oil may meet specifications today. The question becomes how much reserve protection remains after thousands of miles of severe service. Heavy towing, high temperatures, turbocharged engines, frequent short trips. Those conditions are much harder on any oil. Used oil analysis often reveals that changing budget oil sooner is more important than trying to maximize drain intervals. For a daily commuter with regular maintenance, Supertech can represent excellent value. For someone trying to push 10,000-mile oil changes in a turbocharged engine, many mechanics would rather choose something with a stronger long-drain reputation. Number 9. Amazon Basics. Amazon Basics motor oil entered the market with one major advantage: convenience, competitive pricing, current industry certifications. For drivers ordering maintenance supplies online, it's an easy option. Many experienced technicians acknowledge that it meets the required specifications listed on the bottle. That's important. Manufacturer approvals matter far more than advertising slogans. So why do some mechanics hesitate? Mostly because long-term history matters. Brands like Mobil, Castrol, Valvoline, and Pennzoil have decades of field experience across millions of engines. Amazon Basics simply doesn't have that same historical track record yet. That doesn't automatically make it inferior. It simply means fewer technicians have years of teardown observations to compare. For normal oil change intervals, many owners report good results. For demanding applications like heavy towing, performance driving, or extended service intervals, some experienced mechanics prefer brands with longer established performance histories. That's not criticism. It's simply caution based on available experience. But here's where marketing and real-world performance begin separating. Number 8. Quaker State. Quaker State has improved dramatically over the past couple of decades. Many drivers still remember the old myths surrounding sludge. Those stories continue circulating online. Modern Quaker State synthetic oils are very different products. Current formulations meet current industry standards, and manufacturer approvals where specified. Many engines run hundreds of thousands of miles using Quaker State with proper maintenance. So why does it occasionally remain lower on some mechanics' personal lists? Product line consistency. Like many major manufacturers, Quaker State offers several different product tiers. Conventional, synthetic blend, full synthetic, high mileage. Not every bottle represents the same performance level. Many technicians worry less about the brand name than about owners grabbing the cheapest version without understanding what their engine actually requires. The lesson isn't that Quaker State is poor quality. It's that reading the specification label matters more than reading the logo. And the next oil proves exactly that point. Number 7. Kirkland Signature. Costco's Kirkland Signature. Full synthetic oil has developed an impressive reputation among value-conscious DIY owners. Its pricing is difficult to ignore. Many viscosities carry current API certifications and Dexos approvals where applicable. For many daily drivers, experienced mechanics have seen excellent results. So why isn't it automatically everyone's first recommendation? Again, application. Long-term owner reports generally show good performance with normal maintenance intervals. But technicians working with severe service vehicles often become more conservative. Repeated towing, commercial use, very high oil temperatures, turbocharged direct injection engines. Those situations create much greater demands. Many mechanics simply choose premium formulations designed specifically for extended severe service protection. For ordinary commuting, Kirkland often represents exceptional value. Trying to double recommended oil change intervals simply because it's synthetic? That's a different discussion. And this next brand surprises many experienced mechanics for exactly the opposite reason. Number 6. Royal Purple. Royal Purple has built its reputation around premium performance. Performance enthusiasts often praise it. Many owners appreciate its additive package and strong marketing around protection. In certain applications, especially performance vehicles with appropriate oil change schedules, it performs very well. So why do some experienced mechanics hesitate before buying it for every vehicle? Cost versus application. A naturally aspirated commuter car driven gently to work every day may never benefit from paying significantly more for premium performance oil. Changing a quality API certified synthetic on schedule often provides nearly identical long-term results. Many experienced technicians choose oils based on application, not brand loyalty. That's a phrase worth remembering. The most expensive oil isn't automatically the best oil. Choosing the correct viscosity and changing it on time usually has a much greater effect on engine longevity. But the next brand starts some of the biggest discussions among mechanics. Number 5. Liqui Moly. Liqui Moly enjoys an outstanding reputation, particularly among European vehicle owners. Its products often carry numerous ACEA and manufacturer approvals from brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, and Porsche. Engine cleanliness is frequently praised. Cold start performance is excellent. So why do some American mechanics hesitate? Availability, cost, application. Many domestic and Japanese vehicles simply don't require premium European formulations designed around different manufacturer specifications. Using them isn't harmful when approvals are appropriate. It may simply provide benefits the engine was never designed to need. Many technicians recommend matching oil approvals to the manufacturer's engineering requirements instead of assuming a premium European oil automatically protects every engine better. We're only halfway through, and the remaining brands are the ones mechanics discuss most often when choosing oil for their own vehicles. Number 4. Pennzoil. Pennzoil is one of those brands that often surprises people. Many drivers still associate it with old stories they've heard for decades. You'll still hear someone claim Pennzoil causes sludge. Modern engine oils simply don't support that reputation. Today's Pennzoil Platinum and Ultra Platinum synthetic oils are built using high-quality base oils and carry numerous manufacturer approvals. They perform well in cold weather, resist oxidation, and consistently receive favorable used oil analysis reports when changed at appropriate intervals. So why do some mechanics still hesitate? Not because of quality, because many owners misunderstand what they're buying. Pennzoil offers several product lines, each designed for different applications. A conventional oil and a premium full synthetic wearing the same brand name are not the same product. In long-term engine teardowns, mechanics don't usually judge an engine by the logo on the bottle. They look at whether the correct product was chosen, whether the viscosity matched the manufacturer's recommendation, and whether oil changes were performed consistently. Pennzoil is an excellent example of why reading the specification sheet matters more than recognizing the label. But the next brand creates even stronger opinions. 3. Valvoline. Valvoline has built an excellent reputation over many decades. Its restore and protect technology, extended protection products, and high mileage oils have attracted a lot of attention among technicians and vehicle owners alike. Many experienced mechanics recommend Valvoline products without hesitation. So why isn't it automatically their first choice for every engine? Because no single oil fits every situation. Some Valvoline products are designed specifically for high mileage engines. Others emphasize extended drain intervals. Others focus on fuel economy. The mistake isn't buying Valvoline. The mistake is assuming every bottle offers identical protection. Manufacturer approvals, viscosity, and intended application still matter. Many experienced technicians start by asking 3 questions. What engine is this? How is it driven? How often will the oil actually be changed? Those answers matter far more than brand loyalty. And that brings us to one of the most recognized names in motor oil. Number 2. Mobil 1. Few oil brands have a reputation as strong as Mobil 1. It carries numerous manufacturer approvals across domestic, Asian, and European vehicles. Many factory fill engines leave the assembly line using Mobil products. Used oil analysis frequently shows excellent wear protection when the correct viscosity is used. So why do some mechanics still avoid buying Mobil 1 in certain situations? Not because they doubt its quality, because many owners misunderstand what premium oil can actually do. A premium synthetic cannot compensate for neglected maintenance. It cannot fix excessive fuel dilution. It cannot reverse sludge that has already formed. It cannot overcome an incorrect viscosity choice. Many engines that suffered severe wear while using premium oil didn't fail because of the oil. They failed because the oil stayed in service too long, contamination accumulated, or another mechanical problem was ignored. That's why experienced technicians rarely recommend a premium oil without also discussing maintenance habits. Changing a good oil on time almost always beats stretching an excellent oil far beyond its intended service life. But the next brand is perhaps the most misunderstood of them all. Number 1. Amsoil. Amsoil has earned a loyal following for good reason. Its premium synthetic formulations are designed with extended drain capability in mind. Many products carry impressive performance credentials. Used oil analysis often demonstrates strong oxidation resistance and low wear when properly applied. Many experienced mechanics use Amsoil in their own vehicles. So why would anyone hesitate? Because extended drain intervals require discipline, not assumptions. Oil life depends on far more than mileage. Fuel dilution, dust, cold starts, towing, idle time, engine design, turbocharging, driving environment. All of these influence how long oil remains suitable for service. Blackstone Laboratories and other oil analysis providers consistently remind owners that used oil analysis, not advertising, is the best way to determine whether extended drain intervals are appropriate for a specific vehicle. Many technicians who hesitate aren't questioning Amsoil. They're questioning the owner's maintenance habits. If you're committed to monitoring oil condition and following manufacturer requirements where applicable, premium extended drain oils can perform exceptionally well. If you're simply hoping to avoid maintenance, they're the wrong solution. That's the real secret experienced mechanics eventually learn. The oil brand matters, but maintenance habits matter even more. If you remember only 3 things from today's video, make them these. First, there is no universally perfect engine oil. Every reputable brand has strengths depending on the application. Second, manufacturer approvals and the correct viscosity are usually more important than the logo on the bottle. And third, changing the right oil on time will almost always protect your engine better than buying the most expensive oil and leaving it in service too long. That's why mechanics often disagree about brands. They're usually thinking about different engines, different driving conditions, and different maintenance schedules. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which engine oil brand do you trust the most, and why? Have you switched brands after seeing better results, or have you stayed with the same oil for years because it's worked well for your vehicle? Share your experience in the comments. Real-world ownership experiences often help other drivers make smarter decisions. If this video helped you make a more informed oil choice, give it a like. Subscribe for practical mechanic advice that helps your engine last longer and saves you money.